one of the original ice cream cocktails. This recipe dates back to 1892 when it was published in William Schmidt's cocktail book, The Flowing Bowl. I've adapted it a little bit to modern tastes, but it makes a truly decadent dessert drink. So I've got 50 mils of brandy and then just a little 10 mils of rum, so really just an accent here. Then we're gonna go in with some lime juice. So 20 mils of that, a little bit of sugar syrup, and then you can always add a bit more if necessary. Dairy can take quite a lot of sweetness though. And then we need to go in with the star of the show, our ice cream. So 1 healthy scoop of that. And then we're just gonna shake it up. It's good, I think that's sweet enough for my taste. Then we're just gonna double strain this in. Look at that, so decadent. The ice cream is basically working as like an emulsifier. It's gonna give you heaps of body and texture and a little vanilla scent as well. And then we're gonna do a little bit of lime zest over the top, just really make it pop. Give this a try not to spill it on myself. It's so good. Total kind of guilty pleasure. It's more like kind of like a cream popsicle, but actually quite tart, which means that it's super refreshing as well. Yeah, good job, William Schmidt. Big fan.